Hello everyone, welcome you all for this session. In this module, we are going to see the chapter from grade 8 English. Before we see the topic of the lesson, just look at this picture. What can you understand from this picture? Yes, you could see the film roll and camera and the director chair. You could see that slate. So, on the whole, we can say this topic is fully related with the film, right? Movie making, about acting, etc. So let us start the topic. See, this is the name of the lesson, which means it is a topic name Patol Babu film star. So this is a lesson which we are going to learn today. Patol Babu film star. From this topic itself, we can easily say the whole lesson is related to film. That's what it was given in. It was given as film star. Okay, so Badal Babu is a film star. That's what the topic says, right? Yeah, and we need to, whatever the topic it may be, we should know about the writer. As I told, let's start with the biography of author. Yes, so he is the one wrote this lesson, Satyajit Ray. Okay, Satyajit. When we talk about him, he is one of the greatest film director in India. Let us see something about him. Yes, Satyajit Ray was an Indian film director, writer, and illustrator. He was one of the greatest filmmaker of the 20th century. Ray was born in Calcutta into a Bengali Kayastha family which was prominent in the field of arts and literature. So this is what all about him. It shows that he's one of the greatest filmmaker of the 20th century and he's from Bengali family. That's enough about him. Yeah, let us start with the summary of this lesson. So when we talk about the lesson, whatever may be the lesson, we should know the characters of the lesson. Okay, I'm going to list out the characters. uh, the important characters from this lesson. Listen carefully. First is Patul Babu, a film star, and second is his neighbor Nisikant Babu, and third character is Naresh, a brother-in-law of Nisikant Babu. The fourth character is Chanjal Kumar. He is the hero of the film. What? Yeah, just consider like that. And finally, the director. The name of the director is Baron Mullik. So these five characters plays a vital role in this lesson. Okay. Again, I am repeating. First is Patal Babu, a film star, and Nisikant Babu is a neighbor of Patal Babu, and third one is Naresh. He is a brother-in-law of Nisikant Babu. Fourth one is Chanjal Kumar. He is a hero in the film. And fifth one is Baron Mulik. Is one of the director in the film. So these are the main characters. Okay. Now let us start the story. Yes. Padal Babu, a film star by Satyajit Ray, paints the picture of a commoner with big dreams of becoming a great actor. On his way to the market, Padal Babu met his neighbor Nisikant Babu, and also we can call him as Nisikanto Babu. He informed Patal Babu that his brother-in-law happened to belong to the film industry and he was looking for an actor for a film. Patal Babu was taken by surprise when Nisikando further informed him that he had suggested Patal Babu's name for the role. However, Nisikanto was confident that Patal Babu was the right person to for his for this role. So from this first para, we can it is easy to understand that Patal Babu was a film star and everything. It was written, and also you could see, sorry, you could see the, sorry for that. Yes, it was written by Satyajit. That is what I'm telling here. And how the story starts is now Padal Babu is ready to go for a market, and when he was ready to go for the market at that time, his neighbor Nisikanto Babu came to him, and he's telling about his brother-in-law who is working in a film industry. Okay, so he's just telling that his brother-in-law is looking for an actor for a film. Okay, so why he is telling this matter to Padal Babu is because Padal Babu is really interested in acting. Okay, that is why he told. He knows something. As a neighbor, he knows something about Padal Babu. That is why he's giving this information to him. Okay, so what Nisikanto is telling is Nisikanto was confident that Padal Babu was the right person for this role because uh, his brother-in-law told about the character, about the appearance of the character. So he is the one who suits for that character. Okay, that is why he told that to him. Okay, so come to the next para. Patal Babu, a theatre enthusiast, was so overwhelmed with his opportunity that he mixed up the shopping list his wife had given him. He couldn't stop himself from recollecting the memories of the old days when people would crowd to see him on the stage. But then he was a government employee working for the Indian Railway factory, but very soon he lost his job and his luck went for a spin. In the midst of this struggle, Patal Babu loves for acting and his theatrical skills took a, took a backseat. So in this second para, what they're telling is actually Patal Babu is really interested in acting. Years before, he was actually used to act in dramas, okay, stage dramas, and also he has learned many things about acting methods. Okay, so he could stop himself from recollecting the memories of old days, which means while his, as I told, his wife asked him to buy some vegetables. So he just now he's going to the market and he's keep on remembering the thoughts. He's keep on remembering the uh, past, and also he's thinking about the vegetables what his wife mentioned also. Okay, he's just confusing that thing also, and he's buying some other vegetables instead of what his wife told. Okay, uh, and when we talk, and also he's talk in this second para they are telling that um, about the past of Padal Babu. Once he was worked in railway factory. After that he just resigned his job due to some problem in that office, and also uh, as I told, he's very eager to act in a film. That was his long time dream. Okay, that was also given in the second para. Okay, and also he was, his all his luck were bent, luck was bent. That's what given. And come to the next, and also they mentioned that when he was an actor in a stage drama, he has some different fan base. Okay, more the crowd will come to see him about his for see his acting. That's just given second para. Yes, come to the next para. Nisikanto's brother-in-law, Naresh Dutt, arrived at Patal Babu's place the next morning. He offered Patal Babu a small role in the film. The role was that of a pedestrian who happened to be short tempered and absent minded. Padal Babu was more than happy to accept the role. However, his only qualm was whether the role had a dialogue or not. he was assured that he would have lines for his part. So in this para, in this third para, what they are trying to tell is actually Nisikando's brother-in-law. I have told no. I mean the Naresh Dutt, brother-in-law of Nisikando is Naresh. His full name is Naresh Dutt, as I told. Okay, he came to Padal Babu's house about the scene, about the role. Okay, he came to him and he just telling the scene and role and about the character also. Okay, and what next he is telling the role was that of a pedestrian role. Then see the name of the character, the name of the role is pedestrian role. Okay, like like a stranger. Okay, that is the role, and he was absent-minded. So here, what we are going to, what we understand is, Patal Babu is going to play a pedestrian role in the film, which is where Nisikando's brother-in-law working. I mean Naresh working in the film. That's it. The role was that pedestrian role. Don't forget, and he was absent-minded. So on seeing him, on hearing this, Padal Babu is very happy because, as I told, Padal Babu is very interested in acting. Okay, that's why he's very happy on hearing it, and also he hasn't confusion that whether he has a dialogue or not. That is his confusion now. Okay, now Padal Babu. Next, see the next para. Padal Babu arrived at the studio promptly the next day. After a long wait, Naresh Dutt finally arrived with Padal Babu's lines. At first, Padal Babu, though he was joking with him, for his script contained only a monosyllable "oh." Seeing him rather disappointed, Naresh told Badal Babu that he should consider himself very lucky to be a part of the film directed by the revered Baron Mulik, while the hero of the film was the superstar Chanjal Kumar. So in this para, what they are trying to tell is it's simply simple. See, Padal Babu is ready now. He came to the shooting spot and he is waiting for Naresh Dutt for his role. Okay, for his dialogue. What the dialogue is going to deliver in the scene. Okay, that is what he's expecting the dialogue from Naresh Dutt. Later, Naresh Dutt also is giving him a piece of paper, and that paper, what it was mentioned is only a monosyllable word "oh." Okay, that is a dialogue. Okay, on seeing that, he was really disappointed because he expected many things. He expected a great dialogue. He expected many things, but simply they gave only a monosyllable "oh." Okay, and so he was disappointed. For that, Naresh told Badal Babu he should consider himself very lucky because as I told, Baron Mulik is one of the great director in that in the story. Okay, so he feel lucky. He should feel lucky. He just suggesting, he just advising him to act a film. Okay, finally he's also accepting to act the same role, and also you could see he's telling that. He is going to work with superstar Chanjal Kumar. As I told, Chanjal Kumar is a hero in the film. Okay, so now he's ready to act from this para. Okay, so come to the last para. This made Padal Babu a little less upset. He made a resolution to make the most of the situation. He started practicing that one word in different ways when his turn came. He was so engrossed in his act that the collision seemed natural. The director applauded his perfect timing. The crew could not find Padal Babu at the end of the shoot to hand over his remuneration. Padal Babu had quietly left the set. Acting was a passion for him. The only remuneration he desired was appreciation. So in this last para, what they are telling is as a simple thing. Actually, now Padal Baba was little less upset because on seeing that monosyllable word "oh," actually he's expecting many dialogues, but they gave only a monosyllable "oh." Okay, that is a dialogue. "Oh" is a dialogue. Okay, so he made a resolution to make the most of the situation. So Even though the dialogue is very simple, he's trying it again and over, and he made a rehearsal a lot of time. He made a rehearsal nearly 50 times. Okay, by telling the word oh, oh, oh with a lot of expressions, with greater emotional gestures like that. Okay, and finally he did well. Okay, and so everything is noted by the director. Okay, that's the thing. So everything is recorded there. On seeing his acting, Baron Mulik was very happy about his acting because he just applauded him because of that acting. Okay, about Batul Babu's acting, you could see the director applauded his perfect timing, and the crew could not find Batul Babu, which means actually Batul Babu was not came for money exactly. Okay, he want to, as I told, he's really interested in acting, and also he needs some satisfaction about his job. So he got that satisfaction from the applause of director Baron Mulik. Okay, so now he is very happy about his acting. So he's just satisfied about his job. So he just left the place without getting the remuneration from the uh, team. Okay, from the film making team. So that's what he told. Acting was a passion for him. The only remuneration he desired was appreciation. So that's what he expected. What he expected from the director is only the appreciation for his acting. Okay, that is enough for him. That is what his satisfaction. Okay, this so this is a story fully based on about Batul Babu, about his acting, about his satisfaction about his job. This is what ends with. And thank you. Do subscribe. I see you in the next slide.